This is a 2004 1770 NT 16 row that we just got finished with, going to a customer in North Carolina. We got Yetta road cleaners, clean sweep with a Coulter, Mudsmith wheels, cast closing wheels, Vdrive, Delta Force, vapply HD, flow sense. The vapply HD's on 5 sections. Complete rebuild, new tires, some new wheels, because the tires we wanted didn't come in the size to fit the wheels, the wing wheels. So we got all the wheels and tires are all the same now. We got the M-set hoppers, so it'd be easy to convert to M-set. We're just finishing up. We're gonna load it tomorrow morning, first thing. Yeah, we got a few things left to do. Our hangers for our hoses, CCS hoses, we're painting them. We got to put them on. Got an Ag Excel electric pump, and he's gonna stay with his Gen 2 monitor and plug it right in. We put some new decals on it. We painted a few things on the bar. We went ahead and we wanted to go the extra mile, so we went ahead and we machined the factory pins and built those back up and built up the frame. It was not bad at all, but we went ahead and done it because we wanted to go the extra mile on this one, and put almost all new hydraulic hoses on the frame because there were some nicks in them in different spots, and we're trying to produce a product that's as close to new as possible. 500-gallon tank just installed. Let's see here, what else? All new CCS hose, of course. 2 new vacs with vac tube there. Yeah, so we've done most of our health checks. We're gonna go ahead and finish up here and get her on the truck to go out tomorrow. Oh, we got 3 smart firmers as well. I forgot to mention that. It's going to be a corn soybean grower. So we got those 2 kits. But yeah, we're real happy with it. Looks really good. We're going to check it over as much as possible. So all he has to do is plug in and go. Well, thanks for watching the video, and have a good day.